Hey campers, Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, and I'm super excited to show you. Well, what I have behind me is a fresh arrival, fresh trade-in, guys. It's the 2021 2730 BH Keystone Bullet Crossfire. This is a super awesome family unit, guys. Check it out. Up front, you have large pass-through storage. You can fit tons of camping chairs right up there. You have a nice large awning, 2 exterior speakers, dual axles, and look at the grab handle to get in. Let's check out the inside, guys. Come on, guys. Inside the Bullet Crossfire, right up front here, we have a huge, I love these style doors on these master bedrooms, so it really opens it up. Easy if you want to change the mattress as well. Just over here, we do have a little laundry chute that does access down into your front compartment. Super easy to change out should you need to change your laundry hamper out. His or hers closets on either side with some storage up above. And I actually like the way back up there and close to the wall they have shelving, spot to charge your phone, and if you have a CPAP machine, that's a great spot for it. Again, another closet on the other side, and you can put a TV right here if you'd like to. Alright guys, coming outside of the unit, I totally missed right here. We have all of our unit controls, your hot water heater functions, your slide out awnings, and your thermostat for your ACs and your furnace, of course. Just over here, we do have bench style dinette seating that will drop down and make a bed should you need it to. And then you have beautiful windows all around with some phone charging in the slide wall there. Over here, these couches, they're super awesome. Thomas Paine, one of the best of the best. You do have cup holders here, and this will make a bed as well. Again, continuing with the windows and a spot right here we can charge our phones. Flip around, we're going to do a 180 here, guys. Look at all the counter space in this kitchen. Beautiful. Tons of space. Very functional. If you want to use the top of the stovetop, check that out. Even more counter space. Very nice. Huge one-piece style, farm style stainless steel sink. We do have under sink storage and storage up above. Oh, missed the handle there. Storage up above. Furrion microwave. Furrion range hood. 3-burner Furrion stove with a great size oven. There is a spot right here underneath. That'd be a good spot to put your pots, maybe your pans. All kinds of storage or drawer storage. Up above, more storage there as well, and a spot you can mount a TV. Very nice. Over here, nice little, you can put your salt and pepper shaker, maybe some spices, and then there's your stereo deck for your inside and exterior speakers with more storage underneath it. Just over here, we have our Dometic gas and electric refrigerator. And just behind me is one of my favorite features, the bunk beds. Nice ladder already equipped. Very solid, very sturdy. Double over double bunks. They will support up to 500 pounds. And you have a little storage cubby at the top and on the bottom. And they both have windows as well. Just in here, we are into our bathroom, but cannot forget our linen closet. Put your sheets, your towels, your face cloths, all that fun stuff right in there. Maybe some extra rolls of toilet paper. In here in the bathroom, it's very, very spacious. All kinds of space right around here. Porcelain toilet. Medicine cabinet up above. You do have a great size vanity. Great for brushing your teeth in. Some storage down below. And I mean the shower, guys. You do have the small bathtub. It's good for if you want to bath a small kid or a young or a small dog in here. And you got the vent right where you want it. Folks, this is a super awesome, lightly used unit. If you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke Exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.